Good morning, students. Today we have to see English poem What is Success? It is from 9th class. The poet name is Ralph Waldo Emerson. This poem is written in free verse. The poem contains 14 lines. In this poem, the poet described very beautifully the definition of success. First, we have to see the information of our famous poet Ralph Waldo Emerson. He is an American poet as well as he is essayist, famous poet as well as he is lecturer, and he defines very nicely the definition of success. What is success? It quite evident in its title itself. The poem is very simple and the meaning is also clearly described by the poet. So we start what is given here. What is success? The title contains question mark. Means the poet asks us what is the definition of success. How you say the person becomes successful in his life. What is success? To laugh often and much. According to the poet, we should laugh often and much. To win the respect of intelligent people. Respect, admire. If a person get respect from the extraordinary people, from the intelligent people, it is also one type of success. And the affection of children. If you are getting affection, love of children, it is also one type of success. To earn the appreciation of honest critics. Critics means here people, critics, the people who analyze, judge and give their opinion. To earn the appreciation of honest critics. If you are writing something, if you are writer, if you are storyteller, and if you are deserve the appreciation from the honest critic, it is also your great success. And endure. Endure means to tolerate. And endure the betrayal of false friend. Betrayal means cheating. If you manage the cheating of dishonest friend, if you know what is good, what is bad, and if you have a judgment to select the proper place, select the proper opinion, at that time it is also one type of success. In the following line, the poet describes very beautifully, very simple and in a clear tone the definition of success. Success means to appreciate beauty. If you are appreciating the beauty, it is also one type of success. To find the best in others. Many people, they do not have capacity to see the best in others. But according to Ralph Waldo Emerson, success means if you know what is good in others, if you are seeing, if you have ability to see the goodness of others, it is also your success. To live a world a bit better because of your hard work, because of your efforts. If you are making your society a little bit good because of your a little bit contribution, it is also success. Whether by a healthy child, you have healthy and wealthy child. As being parents, it is also the point of success. A garden patch. Being a gardener, if you are living a beautiful garden and giving something to the society, giving something to the nature, it is also the part of success. Or a redeemed a social condition. Redeemed means made better. If a person is selfless, if person want to give something to the society, so if he is able to improve the social condition because of his contribution, small contribution, it is also one type of success. To know even one life has breathed easier because you have lived. According to the poet describes that someone is living easily. Someone's life become easier only because you have lived. It is also success. You become successful people. This is to have succeeded. And according to this famous poet, he describes very simply, very clearly the definition of success. And this poem he has written in free verse. And this poem contains 14 lines, and in very small poem, the poet describes very nicely, very beautifully the definition of success and the definition of successful people. If you are doing something good for the society, for the family, even it is sufficient to become succeeded in life. Thanks.